Alright guys, I'm just wanting to make a quick video here. So I'm putting these VANS grips on my Honda Rebel. So I watched a video, it was Alyssa with an E. She showed for changing this grip, a way of doing it, which might work for some people. It wasn't working for me. I even tried heating it up with a heat gun. She basically just pried it off. I basically just ended up saying, screw that, because I don't want to tear anything up. And I was afraid that's what was going to happen if I kept prying on it. So there was another guy who posted a video. I can't recall the channel right now. But what he showed was basically just ever so lightly cutting your old grips with a razor knife. So that's what I ended up doing. Worked really good. You just want to make sure you don't cut through and then tear this up. But all you got to do is do a light surface cut, and then you can kind of pull it apart with your fingers. So I'm just showing this to show, I feel like that's a better option. Yeah, your old grips are going to be torn up, but you're getting rid of them for a reason. So why not just make it easy on yourself and do it that way? I'm sure they're not expensive from the dealer. They're just rubber, rubber grips. So, and I mean, these aren't expensive either. You already have a new set. Just cut the old ones off. It's way easier. But you will have some adhesive left over, which I can't get it to really focus. But that's what the adhesive looks like. It's like an orange stuff. Just get yourself some Goo Gone Automotive. Spray it on a towel. Wipe it down. Get it looking like this. And then you'll be ready to stick your new VANS grips on. All right, guys. I'm going to attempt this one-handed just because I want to show you guys. I'm a little afraid to do it one-handed, but I want to show you. So you're going to want a razor blade. Probably make it easiest. And then, if I can get it to focus. See that seam there? Is what you're going to want to be focusing on. So you're just going to take your knife, drag it down it, and just keep going. It'll feel like you're getting through it, so just keep going like that across it. Gently. You don't want to put too much pressure on it. And then once you've done it a few times, see if you can pull it apart at all. I still can't, so cut it a few more times. All right, that one looks like it made it through. Right there. Still kind of hard to get it to separate. Should be able to come apart now. Oh no, it's not. I don't know if I need to keep trying. Let's see here. Let's cut it a few more times. You just really don't want to cut into that piece underneath. Not that it'll make a huge difference, but okay. I think that's through. It's really not wanting to peel up. I'm gonna try my plastic trim removal tool. See if I can stick it in there. Let's see. There we go. So there we go. With the plastic trim tool, I was able to pull it open. And then from there, once you get it open, it's pretty simple. You just pull it off. And then with it open like that, well, this is hard to do with a camera in the hand, but with it open like that, you can move this piece down. That's what I'm gonna do off camera right now. So, because I have to get my finger under this side too to really pull on it. So I'm gonna do that real quick. All right, so I was able to do that, like I said. I pulled from the bottom and it just pulled right off. So that's my old grip. As you can see, see if I can get this. No cuts on there. This is just enough to loosen up that grip. Probably won't be able to get into it with your fingers. The other one was heated up, so it was a lot easier. But with a tool like this, which is a Trisalto trim piece tool, I was able to just shove it in there, pry it open, and you just got to get this adhesive off. Alright guys, just wanted to show the final product. Looks really good. They're way comfier, way grippier, thicker, so it feels better. And like the other videos, I just wanted to update, like, say what route I was taking, if I did anything different. And then, so you guys I just did the hairspray for sliding them on. It's really easy. I use this. So just makes it a lot easier to put your grips on, and then it'll hold them on there too. So that's your final product. It's pretty easy if you cut them off. I felt like that was a way better idea than trying to wrestle with them. So you guys can do whatever way you want and feel comfortable with. But I think it looks great. Thanks for watching, guys.